Okay, you can see it's up quite a bit there from the floor level. And if we look above the clutch, right there, it's jammed there. So I don't know if the door is trying to open or close. It's an old armor or horn, same thing pretty much. But let's go on top and we'll see if we can't pop that door around that restrictor bracket up here. Okay, so we're in the car top here. Old Dupar door operator. You can kind of see here. So it's had these restrictors added on, right? Actually, someone's taking that one off. Probably similar to what happened here. But so there's a long piece on the door that when it gets out of your door zone or whatever, you can't open the door, right? But the problem here is, depending on where you mount these, at floor level, if you're out a little bit, it's gonna catch it, right? So we just gotta get it back around and then we'll see why it's out of level so bad. Okay, so I have moved it around a bit. All I did have to do is hit the stop button here. So the door was trying to open, right? So I couldn't get it by it. Hit the stop button, it kills the power. So I just closed it, put it on inspection, moved it, and now we're good. Here's the little thing here. It's been hit a few times, but it seems to be running right on floor level again. Yes, I'm wearing shorts, it's Sunday. But it's hitting floor level again. So being a single speed, there's a number of things that could have stopped it early, right? But I'm not gonna sit here any longer on a Sunday evening. So, a bit of a quick one, but we got it going. And I guess we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.